an entire forest, frozen in time, not by ice, not by cold, but by stone itself. Trees that once lived millions of years ago, still standing today, long before humans existed. Massive forests covered parts of ancient Earth. Towering trees grew across landscapes filled with unfamiliar animals and changing climates. Then, disaster struck. Volcanic eruptions buried entire forests beneath ash, mud, and mineral-rich water. One famous example became the Petrified Forest National Park. After burial, water-carrying dissolved minerals slowly entered the trees. Over enormous stretches of time, minerals replaced the original organic materials cell by cell. The wood structure remained, but the material transformed into stone. This process is called petrification. Nature turned living forests into fossils. These petrified trees preserve details from a world that disappeared millions of years ago. Scientists study them to understand ancient climates, ecosystems, and environmental change. Each fossilized trunk acts like a time capsule from prehistoric Earth. Even tree rings survived in some specimens. Many petrified logs contain stunning colors. Red, orange, yellow, purple, and black patterns formed from different minerals inside the stone. Iron created reds and yellows. Manganese produced darker shades. What was once ordinary wood became natural crystal-like artwork. Human history feels ancient to us. The petrified forests formed across spans of time far beyond civilization itself. Entire species appeared and vanished while these trees slowly transformed underground. Earth changes at speeds humans rarely notice. A living forest once stood there. Now it survives as stone, a reminder that even nature can become part of history. Time reshapes everything. Follow for more history.